when looking into the case of McNeil, we can see a company that is putting out a product that obviously has some setbacks into it with the capsules that are having the problem with the cyanide that are being injected into them. But we can also see that it's a company that's also trying to fix the problems along the way. So they were trying to talk about bringing back the capsules for the recall, but in doing so, they were also going to be losing millions and millions of dollars on this because it was also supposed to be their product that was supposed to boost their sales to a tremendous height. So, in order to get that back and to stop the unethical dilemma that was going to cause, they were bringing back the capsules, but also having the customers bring the capsules back in order to get a coupon on their new product that would also, eliminate that from the situation. But as this goes on, McNeil is getting praise for their great doing of the ethical situation, and they're taking it back, and they're doing such a great job. But then with that happening, McNeil also starts going into a more unethical behavior because they also have that big high horse that they're on right now. So because they're on this high horse, they're starting to get into more situations, of course, with their product because it is a medical product. It's not going to be perfect with every situation. People are going to abuse it. However, with that being the case, they're also starting to sweep the problems underneath the carpet because they don't want their good standing to go unnoticed. And they're wanting their standing to be the highest that it can be. So with with all these things happening, they are starting to push them to the side, like along with the Tylenol purchasing project. They were pushing that off to the side, purchasing the product off the shelf for a recall through the company, which is unethical, of course, because they're taking this situation out of the public's eyes and trying to make it into a secret to seem like their product is still okay. But with this being said, that's also a big no-no, of course. So the FDA is also focusing on this rights theory, meaning with this in general knowledge of the problems that are going on, the government is also stepping in to protect those rights of the people, meaning without the FDA having jumped in, we probably would never saw something like this happening. Like the FDA probably wouldn't have caught the problems that were going on, so the cases probably never would have happened in the first place. So with this rights theory stepping in and taking control of it, the self-interest and moral sentiment that McNeil is showing is actually getting pushed off because the self-interest right now for McNeil is to keep that high standing of their company. And so with them doing the Motrin purchase project, they're getting past all these violations, but the FDA stepping in, they're seeing all the other problems that are going on, causing more and more problems for McNeil along the way. It's just becoming more and more of a problem.